Hello, preschoolers. So as you can see, I have something interesting in my hands, don't I? I'm going to show you what this is and explain how you put one together. If I can pop this off. I might not be able to pop it off, so I might just have to talk about how we put one together. I don't think I can because I'm going to put it in there really good. And as you can see, it's a tube, right? And if you listen, what's that sound? Sounds like rain, doesn't it? Well, this is called a rainmaker. And you are going to be getting the materials to make your own special rainmaker for home. And what's in this tube is there is some aluminum foil. So you'll get some of that. There are some teeny tiny little small beads that you get to pour in here. And you get these two white caps that you can pop on so that the beads don't come out. And then you can make music with your rainmaker. And on the outside, you can decorate it. Miss Amanda hasn't decorated hers yet, but I think I'm going to use some markers, and I think I'm going to draw some designs and some shapes on my rainmaker to make it just mine, so I know that this is Miss Amanda's rainmaker. And we're going to use these in our group time, and we're going to use them whenever we do our music, so we can make our own music. And it's kind of soothing. Just listening to the beads fall through the tube. So I hope you work together with your bigger person and put this together and you can use it together. I hope you enjoy. Bye, preschoolers.